that jazz. We talking all that jazz. We talking all that jazz.
Yo, what's up, plant-based partners? It's Kwame and Roscoe Luis. Yo, we're back. We're back to doing restaurant reviews. We took some time off from doing restaurant reviews for a couple of reasons. One, we weren't getting that many views. And the other reason why is because we pretty much did all the restaurants in Oakland, all the vegan restaurants in Oakland. So we were done with our tour in Oakland, but we recently moved to LA. When we look back and see ourselves, how much Roscoe's grown, how much older I am, you know, it's a trip. We figured we'd keep doing it for ourselves, if nothing else. This is our first restaurant review in LA, and it's called Beyond Vegan Lifestyle. And the reason why we chose this as our first restaurant to review in LA is because they've curated their menu from Dr. Sebi's diet plan. And so if you don't know who Dr. Sebi is, if you're really interested in being plant-based or vegan, you need to look up Dr. Sebi. We're not going to do a long speech about it. All right, let's go check out Beyond Vegan Alkaline Cafe.
The cafe is located on a small street with other quaint shops and boutiques, which makes it feel like you're in a small town, and it's only 10 minutes from the beach. We loved it. Upon entering the cafe, we were greeted with warm smiles from Armia and Cameron, the owner. Man, they made us feel welcome. I loved how the menu was concise and not overwhelming, and when we asked for suggestions, Armia actually read my spirit and suggested food that she thought I would like.
So our first order came. This is the best sandwich with the burrito fries, and the best sandwich is like an all grilled vegetable sandwich.
You said what? I thought that was too far.
That is really good.
It's really good?
Yep.
Chip. Roscoe, did you try the burrito fries?
No.
Oh, they're like plantains. Yo, that sandwich, Roscoe, you were right. So the bread is grilled with these seasonings, and the grilled vegetables are incredible. I mean, the seasoning is impeccable. I mean, it's super tasty without being overbearing. And like there's, most times like, there'll be like some type of sauce on your bread or something that's overbearing. Now, this is perfect. With the fries have like some type of spicy seasoning, but the fry is like somewhat sweet because it's like a plantain. This is excellent.
Enjoy, Jeff.
Thank you, thank you.
You could have that back before I eat it all. This is the jackfruit crab cake.
Yes. And don't forget you got a hollandaise sauce here.
Yeah.
Your reactions are priceless.
They are. That is so good.
And lastly, we had the teff chips with the 3 different sides: the mango salsa, the guacamole, and the spicy hummus. And I cook with a lot of teff at home. It's an Ethiopian grain, but I had never heard of teff chips. It was my first time. They were absolutely delicious. Man, what a healthy alternative for chips.
All right, Roscoe, what'd you think?
That was amazing. It's just, it takes a while to process how good it is.
Yeah, Roscoe made a great point. Like while we were eating, he was just saying like the people, when the people are nice, like they were so friendly and so warm and welcoming that it just made not only the food taste better, but it made it a whole experience. Like that was one of our better experiences. It's like it's at the top for me, like 3 restaurant experiences, and the other one being like Malibu's. We made friends with Danny, who's the owner, and it was like going over your friends or your family's house to eat every time you go to that restaurant. So for Cameron and Armia, I think it was Maria who was cooking in the kitchen. She came and took the picture for us.
Yeah.
So everyone there was incredible. Thank you.
It's just an experience you need to have.
All right, plant-based partners.
We out.